this is the new range of product that we have, which we are launching in a very, very discerning Chennai market for building circuit protection devices. What this actually is, I'll come in a second, but just to give an idea in terms of what these equipment do, in various parts. This you all will know is the distribution board, right? This is the distribution board which distributes where the main power from the power station comes into your house. And in this distribution board is various such equipment kept which are for different reasons, right? Most of you would have seen this piece of equipment which is called an MCB, which is a single pole MCB. This is what is used in mostly, circuit protection for each and every circuit of yours, right? And these are different devices which come along with that, which is and one important device is called an RCCB. All the other devices that are there are to protect the actual appliance that you have. So there is a high voltage or a low voltage, it will protect appliance. RCCB, or some people also called it earth leakage current protection. That is required, that is needed for life safety. So suppose there is a washing machine or there is a geyser, you touch that geyser and immediately you feel a shock, right? That shock can actually, harm you. But RCCB is one device which, protects you from, those shocks. So this is the range that we have launched, and this is the most important part of this entire range. What you see here is a communication bar. We call it the mod bus. Now this enables it, and somewhere in your literature that we have given you is a statement which says this entire range is communication ready. This is the bus bar, this is the mod bus bar, which makes this entire piece of equipment communication ready. And ladies and gentlemen, because of this particular piece of the entire thing is what we are calling it as a next generation one, because all this is some form or manner is already available, but this makes it communication ready, and from one single source you can influence that and make it control it from one single source without actually going to the unit and switching it off or switching it on. So this is that's why we call it the next generation ready devices. And being an Indian company, I think it's a matter of great pride that this was done completely without any technological this thing. We developed through our own R&D centers. We have 300 odd people who work in our R&D centers. We have our own manufacturing. 90% of the goods are manufactured by us in all categories, but MCBs, etc., 100% is manufactured in-house.
So any AI technology or anything?
So these are, sir, actually, advancements. So what is AI? AI actually does a lot of learning and then, does that. Right now, there was no way in which data was being captured. Now with this device, there is a first attempt to at least capture data. How much of meter is being, using, what is the kind of times your electricity bulb is on, etc., etc. AI is what we are doing is, as a company, aside from this, we are putting it in a lot of our devices. Like for fans, appliances, there is a smart socket in which we have made all IoT enabled. So there is a complete range which are Internet of Things enabled. So from an Alexa you can give a command and your entire lighting of the room can change. So not from this particular thing, but we have solutions which can cater to that. So it's a very proud moment for us as Havells. We are today launching our Stud X series of building circuit protection devices, and this is truly a 5th generation device where this entire range is communication ready, which will help in building management solution, the power metering, power management, as well as energy management of the building management solutions. And this is entirely communication ready. And when I say what is really meant by being communication ready, is that you can remotely monitor, you can remotely give commands, and you can actually kind of control your electrical devices through a remote mechanism, right? So that is what we are calling it a communication ready platform. And along with this, we have launched our, for the first time, IP43 ready distribution box, which will go along with these devices. And the devices are completely, the entire range is there, from single pole, multi-pole, all entire range of MCBs. Then we have RCCBs, or popularly known as earth leakage devices, protection devices. We have surge protection devices. We have time switch, to control that. And we are extremely proud that we are launching it in the city of Chennai, which is known for its IT prowess and its data prowess. Very happy to do that, and from Havells side. Thank you.
Your name, sir?
My name is Saurabh Goyal. I'm the president for Havells India Limited.
Subscribe to Vulcan Television.
Please subscribe Volgan Television.